What is sediment in well water? Have you ever wondered what those tiny particles in your well water really are? Let's break down the concept of sediment in well water and why it matters, especially in survival situations. Sediment refers to small, solid particles that can either float in the water or settle at the bottom of your well. These particles can include sand, silt, clay, rust, or even bits of organic matter. When you draw water from a well, you might notice that it appears cloudy or has visible particles floating around. This is a clear sign of sediment. While sediment itself is not always harmful, it can affect the taste and clarity of your water. It can also clog filters or other equipment you might use for purification. In survival scenarios, it is essential to be aware of sediment because it can indicate potential contamination from the surrounding environment. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to collect water from a well, take a moment to observe its appearance. If the water looks murky or gritty, you will need to take extra steps to ensure it is safe to drink. To identify sediment, pour a glass of water and let it sit for a few minutes. If you see particles settling at the bottom or the water clearing up, sediment is present. This means you should purify the water before consumption. A simple method is to filter the water through a clean cloth or use a commercial water filter to remove larger particles. For smaller sediment, you can let the water settle and then carefully pour off the clear water from the top, leaving the sediment behind. This technique is straightforward and can be done with minimal resources. Sediment can also create issues with pumps and containers, leading to blockages or reduced efficiency. In survival situations, it is vital to keep your equipment clean and free from sediment buildup. Regular maintenance will ensure that you have reliable access to safe water. In summary, sediment in well water is a common occurrence that can be managed with basic observation and simple filtration techniques. By recognizing and addressing sediment, you can make sure that your water is safe and usable for drinking and other essential needs.